Aluminium, a versatile and essential metal, is integral to our daily lives. It profoundly influences numerous aspects of modern living. At Alucraft, we deliver customized aluminium profiles tailored to meet specific customer needs. We are recognized as a star export house by the Government of India, a testament to our exceptional export performance. With 50% of our production dedicated to international markets, at Alucraft, our sophisticated extrusion process forms the cornerstone of our operations, enabling us to produce custom aluminium profiles with exceptional precision. The first step is preparing the extrusion die. A round-shaped die is pulled from our warehouse. Before extrusion, the die must be preheated to help maximize its life and ensure even metal flow. Once the die has been preheated, it can be loaded into the extrusion press. This process begins by preheating aluminium billets, ensuring they are malleable yet solid. These preheated billets are then carefully loaded into the extrusion press. Under immense pressure from a hydraulic ram, the billet material is forced through precision-engineered dies, expanding to fill the container and emerging as fully formed profile. These profiles are subsequently guided by a puller along the runout table and uniformly quenched to ensure optimal integrity and quality. Upon reaching their full length, the extrusions are sheared by a hot saw and transferred to a cooling table to reach room temperature. To correct any unnatural twisting and achieve perfect alignment, the profiles are mechanically stretched, ensuring they meet exact client specifications. For enhanced durability, the profiles undergo a heat treatment in our state-of-the-art aging oven. This process involves heating the profiles to a specific temperature and holding them there for a predetermined period. This heat treatment improves the mechanical properties of the aluminium, making it stronger and more resistant to wear and tear. Our commitment to excellence is further demonstrated through rigorous quality checks, where each profile is meticulously inspected to meet our stringent standards before being approved for dispatch. Our powder coating process ensures a superior finish for our aluminium profiles. It begins with thorough cleaning and pre-treatment to enhance adhesion. Using electrostatic spray guns and automatic machines, we apply a dry powder of pigment and resin, which is then heated to form a smooth, durable coating. Our in-house facilities feature exclusive powder coatings from premium brands like Jotun and Akzo Nobel. Delivering a high-quality, environmentally friendly finish that meets rigorous industry standards for durability and finish. At Alucraft, our commitment to excellence extends to the final step of our process dispatch. Each aluminium profile is meticulously packed with protective materials to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Alucraft, where innovation and quality converge to forge the future of building environments with eco-friendly solutions. Proudly certified for quality and excellence with ISO 9001:2015. Partner with us to elevate your projects with aluminium profiles designed for tomorrow's world, ensuring sustainability and excellence in every creation. Alucraft, Manufacturing and Marketing LLP.